I gave it all for a fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name.
You're supposed to act like the camera's not here. Hey. Okay. Hi, Dinky. Ow. Good morning. It is 10:30 a.m. I sleep until 10:30 so Dad can do some work and we switch off and we do our thing. But y'all will see that in a whole nother video what our morning routine is. Right now I'm about to do some skincare, take a shower. So on today's to-do list, we have to go to the grocery store. We have to go to Target, clean up the house, like do laundry. I want to deep clean a little bit. I know I'm probably not going to be able to get everything done, but I just want to clean up. Alright girls, my hair, it just needs to be done, okay? Right now I currently have clip-ins and I just have leave out all right here, the middle part, and my hair is just like in plaits. So none of my real hair is out besides the leave out. But I'm about to just revive these curls because girl, they look crazy dry. I'm just adding water and leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna hold the root up so that I'm not like hurting my own hair. As y'all know, I cut my hair into a short bob, a chin length bob or neck length. I love when my hair is straightened in the bob, but curly wise or even like stretched, you know. But when it's just like curly, it's so short, I just feel like I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, I just think I'm gonna be the blowout queen. You know how some people are known for a specific style and that is their style and they look really good every time, all the time, and it's because they found their personal style within their hair. And I feel like I need to do that. I don't feel the most confident when my hair is short and curly. I feel the most confident when my hair is long and curly, or like moderately long and curly, or straightened. And I've always loved when my hair was straightened, silk pressed, or even just blown out and like I do a twist out or something. And it's crazy because as I was thinking about this, like what is my personal hairstyle, I started seeing a lot of people talk about being a stretched natural. They were like, yeah, that has helped my hair grow so much, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. I believe it because when you don't have to manipulate your hair, and coming from somebody who had locks and I did not manipulate my hair grew very, very long within a 4-year span. I started my locks at chin length. My hair was down to my freaking mid back, almost lower back in 4 years. So it's like the fact that my natural hair has had more than 4 years to grow, like back then before I started my locks, and it never grew that long, tells me that low manipulation styling is best for my hair, because not everybody's hair is the same, especially us high porosity girlies. Those styles will help grow my hair faster because I'm not manipulating my hair as much, or I'm not detangling, like doing a wash and go and stuff, adding all these things to your hair, when in reality you don't need that much stuff in your hair, and these products really aren't even that good for your hair. I do use the best of the best products though, I will say that. I love me some Design Essentials and I stand on Design Essentials. So just sticking to a low maintenance, low manipulation styles. So when you blow out your hair, you're not brushing out tangles, and if you blow dry on a cool setting, you're definitely not harming your hair. You actually make it easier to manage your hair because it's stretched. And I'm not saying everybody needs to do this. I'm not saying that, you know, this is the thing for you, but it feels like the thing for me because I personally cannot do this short curly hair. And I don't want to be the girl who is sitting here straightening their hair all the time. And although that works for some people are straight naturals. But me, on the other hand, no. I have high porosity hair. We already cannot take heat. Heat and our hair do not mix. As y'all can see, I'm kind of like raking the brush and turning it flat on its side so that it creates these little ringlet curls. I am very excited to take y'all grocery shopping with me because a lot of you guys have been asking and have been wondering when the hell have I started eating meat. And it seems as though the girls have been missing in action because that's so old news. I started eating meat during my pregnancy. But anyways, I'm about to finish my hair and I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, I finished my hair. Very defined, very cute. So it's still gonna get a little bigger than this, of course. I had took down my flat twist and I realized I did not add product to my hair. So I had to redo it and hopefully it dries by the time we're ready to leave. Alright y'all, so I'm doing baby Z's laundry. Right now we got his dark clothes in the wash. While that gets done, I'm going to separate my own laundry because I have so much freaking stuff that needs to get washed. When I open this door, do not judge me. Your girl has been slacking on the laundry because I have a lot of clothes, so like I don't really need to wash that often. Everything's falling out of the basket because it's so freaking full. So let's get all this stuff out. I need a freaking sweep and stuff in here too. Normally this was supposed to be just like my towels basket, my rags and stuff like that. But then I just started putting clothes in here, so yeah. Light clothes first.
I'm dirty and big time forward. Start again.
Oh, what are we making this week? I think it's crepes, but you know, I can't understand his accent. She says it's all just drama. It's the only way. Meg, I'm just buying the jacket. No effect. Harsh. What is the math? No, not your number 582. Hola, amigo. Oh, really? You are ready for burrito? Food's ready. Sometimes I feel like I'm... Sorry, Kate. The employee of the world's biggest cheese. I want to switch shifts. Some sure. Good for you. Now, I can't take and be good at something. The Midwest. Oh, I'm still waiting. The read a magazine. I'm working. Present your superior burrito. I have rushed over. That's right. She used for every occasion. Uh-oh. Mind if I catch your eye? What are super friends for?
Y'all see these little lint fuzz balls on this couch? I'm about to show you how I get rid of them. So I use this fabric shaver. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I link it down below. If I don't, just comment and I'll share the link in my description box. See the difference already? Literally this side has not been shaved. This side has been shaved down. See? Thank you so much. You're so helpful. You're so helpful. Can you get this side? You're so helpful. Mommy. Mwah.
Very large battery, 1,000 side. A beer jar? A mustache comb. What was that? It was a big no for magnet point.
Zaza, you are having so much fun. Look at the definition. These curls, they are completely dry. I came here to say, my man, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We love when a man does things before you even have to ask them. She loaded the dishwasher and it's almost done. Baby dishwasher was unloaded. You don't like the cactus mocking you? Alright, buddy. Okay, so he is, I should have did it before I put his jacket on. He's wearing his little Gap snowsuit. So cute. Okay, so I just have on a black top, some black leggings, this chocolate brown trench that I got from Aritzia. So I'm in the car, clearly in the back seat with little dude. What's up, man? What's up, man? We're about to head to Target and go to the grocery store. This is a mission. A mission with the baby. I'll tell y'all that much. Might only end up doing one. I'm gonna take this jacket off you, baby. I know you like, girl, you put me in it. Why are you taking it off me? Whoa! We're about to go to Target. I don't know which one we plan on doing first. Personally, would rather go to the grocery store to get that stuff out the way than Target. We want to go to Target because we haven't been to Target in so long. Like, since we moved, the Target isn't as close as it used to be. When I'm so used to it being conveniently like 2 minutes down the street and in walking distance. Y'all, this soap smells so freaking good. I saw this one girl use this scent, but yeah, I can't. Like, these ingredients, terrible, literally terrible, but they're so aesthetically pleasing too. I bet you miss Target too. They're so cute. For like Valentine's Day, super adorable. Okay, y'all, so we're in Sprouts right now. That is typically where we shop, or we'll probably go to the farmer's market, which is 100% way better. This is where we go most of the time. So we normally grab these pasture-raised eggs. This is what we normally get. This is the brand we normally get. So we normally grab these salad kits. I never really used to get these. I used to always just get these big old things of salad, but then I would just let it go to waste because, yeah, it would just, I don't know, it wouldn't look appealing to me. So we just grab these. These are quick, easy. They come with a bunch of different toppings and dressings. Okay, so normally, rather than getting all these like almond breeze or the Oatly and stuff like that, I go for the Elmhurst milk, and I typically get the milked walnuts because walnuts are really good for the brain. So yeah, we normally get this. It's only 2 ingredients, filtered water and walnuts, and I've been getting this brand for a minute. This is another brand we get because I use avocado oil, and it's literally 3 ingredients. Oh wait, that's wrong. Classic sea salt, potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. We get this bread, sourdough.
Sourdough is really good for you.